Today I will showcase how to silence annunciators in Elsworth Generating Station. When you have annunciators, you want to first verify what they are annunciating. Once this is done, you can now go to the annunciation panel on each panel and press Acknowledge. Acknowledging will do two things. It will acknowledge every single alarm on the panel, and any alarm that was cleared in the time frame will blink slow with this chime. Once this is done, you can now proceed to reset the annunciation. Doing so will clear the slow chime and the slow flashing. That is how you clear annunciators in Elsworth Generating Station. Thank you.